Pacificon queues first. Pacificon queues first, and then we'll open it up to everybody else.
QSL, this is Parachute Mobile Ground Control, Kilo 6 Echo Alpha Uniform. Jumper is at altitude and preparing to jump. Please hold all traffic until jumper calls QRZ. Priority 4, all Pacificon traffic. Pacificon traffic first, please. This is Kilo 6 Echo Alpha Uniform, Parachute Mobile. Jumper away, standing clear.
Oh, look at that, we even got the flame. Yeah. Cool. Hey, we got good video.
Oh, he's trying to get
out of
Kilo Mike 6 DNX at Pacificon. This is KN6KZF. First jumper is in the air and getting ready to deploy. We're trying to prioritize all Pacificon traffic. So when jumper calls QRZ, you guys are first in line.
Okay, we got good video. Wind south of 13. Oh man, we finally got something. Oh, I gotta get a picture of these 4 screens, and then I gotta put it up on the big screen. Oh, look at that.
He is, yeah.
Copy.
Okay, we got good APRS track, good video.
GHz station, copy that. Jumper should be in the air, I believe has called QRZ and is taking contacts. I don't know what you need to do to get in there, but you could go to parachutemobile.org and check out the Zoom link that at least will give you an idea of where he's physically at. We're live streaming on Zoom. QSL?
Final guys, okay, I see the airplane taxiing up to the loading area. I'm at 7,500 feet. KZ. I heard a K and a weak signal. Try again. Kilo Alpha 6, Kilo Alpha Hotel. KZ.
Out of the plane. What's load 4 to the plane?
The Victor station, go again.
Kilo 6 Echo Alpha Uniform.
Kilo 6 Echo Alpha Uniform, KZ. Okay, got it. Like uniform, go. Whiskey 1, Echo Golf Golf, 11, clear next. Kilo 6 KQX.
Good, got him in.
AI6QQX.
AI6 QQX.
K6 MSW.
6 MSW, you got you, Michael?
You want to see your call sign?
Kilo 6, Sierra Tango.
Kilo 76, Tango Tango.
Hey, you're in. Whoa, you all got in. Cool.
Kilo 6 Echo Lima. 3,500 feet. Got time for a few more. QRZ.
Mark, move the cables away from the camera. Thank you. Perfect.
Okay.
Kilo November 6, Kilo Zulu Foxtrot.
Got time for 2 more. Anyone else? Okay, I'm still in the gear and navigating to the dot zone. Great time talking to all you guys at Pacificon and everyone else too. AF6IM, next you'll hear from me is on the ground. AF6IM out.
Still look a little bit high for me. You want to burn some altitude before you make your crosswind or make it very wide. Ah, there you go. Yeah, I would just make your crosswind just before the road. Don't get over by the hangar. There we go. You're good now. Come on in for your crosswind. Keep going. Then slow turn when you're ready. There you go. Perfect. Jumper down safely. Stand up landing.
Alright, jumper 1, landed safely. Stand up landing. GHz parachute mobile.
Fire traffic RV, we're just about to turn right from runway 23. Fire. We're 2 miles out.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you a second.
Wow.
Recorded my butt. Oh, well.
Don't worry about it.
Fire traffic RV, final runway 23.
And this is Parachute Mobile Ground Control from Mount Diablo. Jump has concluded. AF6IM is safely on the ground, and jump was a success. Thank you all for participating. This is Kilo 6 Echo Alpha Uniform, along with Kilo November 6 Kilo Zulu Foxtrot, Ground Control Parachute Mobile, Mount Diablo. Thank you all stations for participating. Please visit parachutemobile.org. For your QSLs, please contact skydivinghams@gmail.com with your call sign and time of contact. skydivinghams@gmail.com. Information available on parachutemobile.org. Parachute Mobile Ground Control, Mount Diablo. Jump 1 has just concluded. VHF Simplex 147.57. Jumper Alpha Foxtrot 6 India Mike AF6IM.